Hello everyone. In this tutorial on PMN Online, we will learn how to set a passcode on Google Drive Docs and Sheets files. In today's digital age, ensuring the security of your online documents is more important than ever. If you're storing sensitive information on Google Drive, such as important financial documents or personal data, you'll want to add an additional layer of protection. By setting a passcode, you can control who accesses your valuable files, providing peace of mind and safeguarding your privacy. Let's explore how you can achieve this step by step. First, we need to start from Google Forms, which will act as the gateway to your secure documents. Open your preferred web browser and type Google Forms in the search bar, then hit Enter to access the site. Once there, select the option to create a blank form. This blank form will serve as the foundation for your passcode entry system. Now, let's personalize this form. Click on the title area where it says Untitled Form and rename it to something descriptive, like Access Passcode Verification. This name will remind users that they need to enter a passcode to gain access. The next step is to create a question on your form. Change the default untitled question to a more direct question like, "What is the password?" This is where users will input the passcode you've set up. Initially, the question may be set to a multiple choice format. To change this, select the option for Short Answer instead. This change ensures that users will type in the password instead of choosing from a list of options. To make sure that everyone completes this step, toggle the Required button. This ensures that the question must be answered before the form can be submitted. Next, click on the three vertical dots located at the bottom right corner of the question box to access additional settings. Here, you'll find an option called Response Validation. Choose this option to define the criteria for a valid response. Set the validation type to text, and then enter your chosen password. Make sure it's something secure and not easily guessed, yet memorable for those who need access. You can also customize an error message that appears when someone enters the wrong password. A message like "Incorrect password, please try again" can be helpful, as it guides the user to re-enter the correct passcode. After setting up your form, head over to Google Drive. Open a new tab and navigate to your Google Drive account. Locate the specific document or sheet you wish to protect. Once you have it, click the Share button. Here, you need to adjust the sharing settings. Change it to anyone with the link can view. This setting is crucial because you will be embedding this link into your Google form. Copy the link provided in the sharing settings. Return to your Google form and find the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Under the Presentation section, there's an option to edit the confirmation message. Paste the copied Google Drive link into this field. This ensures that whenever someone enters the correct passcode, they will be redirected to the document you are protecting. Don't forget to save your changes. Finally, use the Preview button to see how your form looks and functions from a user's perspective. Test it by entering the password you've set. If everything is set up correctly, entering the right passcode should redirect you to the desired document in Google Drive. And there you have it. Your important Google Drive file is now protected with a passcode. Share the form's link with those who need access, and ensure they know the passcode to view the document. This method is a practical way to keep your documents secure, allowing only those with the correct passcode to access them. That's it for this tutorial on how to set a passcode on Google Drive Docs and Sheets files. If you found it useful, hit subscribe and stay tuned for more helpful videos.